Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to generate a PayPal QR code. These convenient codes offer a seamless way to receive payments, whether you are selling an item or splitting a bill with friends. They eliminate the need to share personal account information, making transactions faster and more secure. We will walk through the straightforward steps to create your very own unique code. And to create your personal QR code, first, open the PayPal app on your mobile device or visit the PayPal website and log in securely. Once inside your account, look for the Request or Send and Request tab. From there, you will find a clear option to get paid with a QR code. Tapping this will guide you to the next step in generating your unique payment identifier. After setting up your tables and initial fields, you can customize them further. It is crucial to select the correct field type for your data, whether it is a single select option, a date, or a formula. Beyond fields, Airtable offers powerful views to display your data. You can switch between grid, calendar, gallery, or Kanban views, each providing a unique perspective to help you manage and understand your information more effectively. For businesses, PayPal QR codes are an excellent tool for accepting payments from customers. Business accounts offer similar generation steps, allowing you to streamline your sales process. Remember to display your QR code prominently, perhaps near your cash register or on your online store. Crucially, always verify that the payment has successfully arrived in your PayPal account before completing any transaction, ensuring a smooth and secure experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.